MLGO stock analysis and price predictions for Wednesday. Is MLGO stock a buy? I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this brief and short 1-minute video. And look, as the only person in this space that has actually done this for 43,000 videos over 5 years, I have seen what's printing and what is not. Sad part here is that it hit my break-even point. So turns out this is going to be a break-even, which is fair enough. Like, I'm just going to look for another opportunity to hopefully take it further down. If price gives me more rules, you know what I mean? And this is going to be just a simple double break away from me. Oh, my bad. This is the wrong tool. Right. If there is the shift in a double break, then of course I'm going to look to further take it down. But like, man, randomly selling will not be happening. And I really mean what I say here. So all I'm doing, even though this is typoed, still waiting for rules. Now, if you want to get my stay tuned with MLGO and get my free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one.